What's up guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to wash a wheel. So there's going to be a few tools you're going to need, but nothing too crazy, so let's go ahead and get them. Alright, so we're back and we got our materials laid out right here. Well, not really materials, it's just stuff to clean with. It's still over there. But anyway, we've got our nice little spray bottle right here, and then we got a brush, and then we got Purple Power. Not sponsored at all, by the way. I'm gonna drag this stuff over here so I can kind of use it easier, because that would make sense, right? Alright, so basically this is what you need to clean the wheel. So right here we have everything we need to wash it. So we've got the wheel, obviously, and then we have a brush, we've got a spray bottle, and we've got Purple Power. Not sponsored, by the way. So let's go ahead and get our water hose, because, you know, we obviously need that, and let's get started. Alright, so we have our water hose here. Now that we have everything we need laid out, we can now wash the wheel, which I'm going to get this stuff out of the way, because we need to fill up the bucket. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse the bucket out. And now we got a clean-ish bucket. So
when we wash the car, we'll have clean wheels.
let's go ahead and take a minute and let this fill up. Alright, so this should be enough water to work with for now. So now that we have our water ready, we can go ahead and just rinse the wheel off. Looks better already, doesn't it? Now that we've used our water, now that we used the water, we got most of the stuff off, and now we can go ahead and get into the more detail-oriented part where we have to actually scrub it. Yes, you have to use your hands. This does take effort, by the way. So, just a warning. So let's go ahead and rinse the brush off, put it in our water over here. I guess it'd be better to spray it off. Alright, it's sprayed off with the water hose. Now we need soap. I'm gonna get a little bit of this, which I don't know if we have enough left. I might have to pour some more in here. Some on the brush. Right. And then, now that we got the soap on the brush, we'll grab us some water and then start scrubbing. As you can see, soap is getting everywhere, so we can kind of get it in the, like where the lug nuts go and everything. So just kind of get in there. Alright.
PSA, if you're washing your car at a car wash, do not use the brush on your car. People use that on their truck beds and it will scratch your paint up.
And again, this isn't like, you know, super high level. This is just kind of basic maintenance, just trying to take care of the car. Also, it is recommended that you do this in shoes that are waterproof-ish, which these are leather, so it's fine. I wear my shoes. get them a little dirty. You can just wipe it off later. And now we got to rinse it. So it is better to pressure wash, but right now we're just kind of using what we have, and it works pretty well. So go ahead and dry it off with this rag we got here. So that way the dirt won't stick to it the second we drive again. But that is basically it. So now your wheel should be a little bit shinier. The brush, some of the brush came off on it, so you know, that's just something to note if you got a cheap brush. I guess that happens. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I also just noticed one of the lug nuts is not normal. It's kind of weird. Anyway, like, subscribe, and let me know how your wheels turned out. See you in the next video. Peace. Please subscribe.